Hi everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly fix the "selection is locked" error in Microsoft Word that prevents you from typing or editing your documents. We'll guide you through the full process step by step, showing you exactly where to find the system file needed to reset your Office activation status and unlock your workspace. If you open a document and find that you cannot type or delete anything, you are likely experiencing a selection error caused by an activation or background service issue. To begin the fix, you must first close all open Microsoft Word windows and any other Office applications like Excel or PowerPoint to ensure no files are in use. Once everything is closed, you need to navigate to the installation folder of Microsoft Office on your computer. The fastest way to do this is to right-click on your Word shortcut and select Open File Location. If you don't have a shortcut, you can manually navigate through your File Explorer by going to your C drive, then Program Files, then Microsoft Office, and finally opening the folder named Office. Inside the Office folder, scroll down until you find a specific system file named OSPPREARM.exe. This is the Office Software Protection Platform script that helps reset the licensing state of the application. Once you find it, right-click on OSPPREARM.exe and select Run as Administrator to allow it to execute the repair with full system permissions. A small black command window may flash on your screen for a split second. This is normal and indicates that the process has successfully run. After you have executed the file as an administrator, you can go ahead and reopen Microsoft Word. You should now find that the "Selection is locked" message has disappeared, and you can type and edit your documents as usual. If this video helped you solve the problem, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others facing the same issue.